Hey y'all, I'm Kristen.
I'm Matthew.
And you're watching Cheers to the Magic. And today we are at Universal Sapphire Falls Resort, and we are going to give you a little tour of a standard 2-queen room. This is room 3605 at Sapphire Falls. All right, here we are. So this room, I guess, has audio-visual ability for any audio-visual impairments. You can check your fit here as soon as you walk into the door. Got a nice little mirror. Your room does not come with luggage. That's ours.
Don't take it.
Please don't take it. So there's a nice entryway. You've got like this tile floor. It's nice and decorated. And
Is it Spanish tile?
that was my finger in the middle of the camera there. And then we have on the right a little closet. You've got your hairdryer back there. You got hangers on 2 levels here. All your ironing supplies. Got your luggage rack. And a little safe in here on the wall, which is always nice. And then what we got up there, Matthew?
That looks like extra bedding or a pillow or something.
Maybe a blanket, extra pillow. Let's see.
I'm thankful for the hairdryer though, because I almost forgot it. Well, I did forget to bring.
He forgot to bring his hairdryer.
So I don't know what I was going to do.
That's always tragic. And then next, on the left side of the entryway, you got a nice little bathroom. It's actually not very little. It's pretty big.
I was surprised when I first opened the door. I was like, oh my.
Yeah, we were both a little surprised. So you got your toilet and everything here on the right, and then there's also a hook here next to the door.
Not to be confused with Captain Hook.
They've got a nice little stand here that's got your extra towels. And then got one of these little mirrors. Oh, that's not the large side. Let's see. Whoa, now we're really big. Look at us. Ooh.
I don't feel like looking at the inside of my drawers.
And there's us again. Hi, friends. I like the mirror here. It's very colorful. You got the blue, white, and yellow. And then what do we have here? We've got some amenities.
Looks like Mr. or Mrs. Julian Farrell or Farrell has graced us with their product.
Yeah.
Face bar. Shower cap. Gotta protect my hair as always.
Yep, that's also for Matthew because, oh, body wash. I need that.
Anti-aging, so be careful, don't use too much or you won't be able to get into the bars later.
Haha.
And more anti-aging.
Body cream. Hand and body cream. Fancy. And then over here, we got our little shower. You've got the removable, you've got the regular shower head, and then you have the, what do you call that, a massaging or a removable shower head. That's what I call it. Handheld shower head. You got a little, is there nonstick? It looks, yeah, like there's a little nonstick pad on the floor there. And then they also have your amenities.
Non-slip pad.
Yeah, non-slip. I said non-stick, didn't I? So then you've got your body wash, conditioner, shampoo. So it looks like you can use all this stuff in the shower, and then what? Maybe the other ones are so we can take them home. Those are for us.
Yay.
Yay!
Extra bath bar.
Yep, an extra bath bar too. Yeah, so this is kind of the whole size of the bathroom here. It's pretty big, nice bathroom. It doesn't come with a Matthew.
It's room for activities.
There's room for activities, oh no. And then you got into the bedroom, which does have carpet. So you got tile there, turns into carpet. We got 2 queen beds here. And then this room is connecting, it looks like. So that would be where you would open your door if you've got a party next to you. But we've got a big old chest here with a TV that's playing our Universal Welcome over here. Yay, welcome to Universal. There's Aventura. That's not where we're staying. We're at Sapphire Falls. So, looks like we have a little coffee station here with not a Keurig, but still a coffee pod roaster. You got some medium dark roast, a little tea, a little decaf, and then all your fixins back here. And you got your little to-go cups, so you can take it with you to the parks.
Let's check out this storage.
Yeah.
Well, one of these is probably a fridge.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yes, yes.
So, place your bets. Which
That one.
door is it? Oh, come on, I was like trying to build some suspense.
I was right.
There it is.
Is it an actual fridge or a beverage cooler? Let's see. Looks like a beverage cooler.
It is pretty cold. The surfaces are cooler than the ones on the cruise ship that we were just on.
Oh, yeah, that was definitely a beverage cooler.
That was like a keep your red wine at a perfect temperature type fridge.
Yeah.
Anyway, moving. Oh, there's drawers inside of drawers.
We like drawers. We like storage. What do we have? Let's see. Look at all these space for things, and we're only staying for 2 nights. Yay! We got plenty.
We just have to go buy a lot of things to store in these.
That's right. We have to go buy all the Halloween Horror Nights merchandise because that's what we're here for. And my birthday. Today's my birthday, y'all. It's my birthday stay.
Birthday wreck.
Let's see. Let's see what we can show about the beds here. Looks like there's some charging stuff over here. You got outlets. They look like they have USBs. Oh, look, there's a thing for the curtains here. It operates the sheer blackout. That's pretty cool. Got our little phone there. And then got your alarm clock here. Does this... I guess that charges like an iPod or something like that.
Well, maybe iPhone. It looked like if you could get your iPhone in there, if you have the Lightning 2 connector.
So we're going to have to make sure that the alarm is not on because the last time I stayed in a Universal resort with a friend of mine, the alarm went off at midnight every night while we were sleeping.
And then you get crooked lights.
They are a little bit crooked. Oh, there we go.
Or maybe they're just positional.
Yeah. It's like you can position.
Oh, no.
There might be another
There's
light
probably
switch we have to
another
turn on, yeah. And then you've also got these next to each bed as well that you can kind of turn off and on your own.
Those are sconces.
Yeah, the wall sconce and then the regular, the standing light here. That one's also
Which is
got.
also crooked.
So I'm usually the OCD one, but here's Matthew walking around correcting all the lights. And then our view. So we've got kind of a resort view here. That looks like a little gazebo down there and then a little green space that we're looking at. So it's still, it's a, we don't have like a pool view or anything. That'll be a different room category, different charge, but still a pretty view. It's a pretty resort. And then in this corner over here, you got your little trash can, and you got a desk right next to the TV stand. Desk also does not come with my bag. That's mine. Don't take it. We got a little drawer, more places for goodies. And then we've got definitely not free water. You can pay $7.50.
You can't have the Earth's finest water for free.
Take your Fiji water, and you got some glasses here, and your little, what do you call this thing? A ice thing. An ice thing. What is this? What is that for?
Probably to pick up your pet's droppings.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is a pet-friendly resort, so we got a little thing here that shows us some information about the resort, as well as some special menu items for Halloween Horror Nights. Ooh.
Nice.
We haven't checked all this out yet. We are going to Halloween Horror Nights tomorrow night, so we'll be showing you guys all of that. And this resort actually has 24/7 room service, so that's pretty cool. You've got your late night menu, little kids menu.
All day.
Mm-hmm.
Menu.
And it even has, what did that say?
What is that?
Lowe's loves pets, so they must have like some pet treats. Let's see.
From the pet bakery.
Oh dear. Look at this, you guys. They have little pet treats.
What if I want some Bow Wow
kitty
chicken?
treats. We could have bought Nova.
Yeah.
She would have been so much happier here with us. She would have been like, I got beds to lay on. And then you got another desk lamp over here. Matthew, figure out how to turn on those lights by the bed. Where's another? Let's see.
Probably.
See if we can find our other light switch here.
What's that?
That's the only light switch, isn't it? I don't see another one. Yeah, because you've got
a 45-minute video on where to find.
We also have our little thermostat here. This is another important piece of information. Ooh, it goes all the way to 65, y'all. That's good news. We like when a room is nice and chilly when we go to bed. Yeah, I'm gonna say we're not entirely sure how you go about turning these on and off. We figured it out.
Follow me. Lower, lower, closer.
Down.
There's a switch here that goes on. Once you turn that on, then
Magic.
so Universal is not broke down. That's nice.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't even notice. Hold on. Show you guys. The artwork in here is really pretty too. It's very like Caribbean. We got like the little boat back here. And they got like the shiplap on the walls behind the beds.
Oh, Joanna Gaines would be so proud.
Who watches that show? It's a good one. I haven't watched it in a long time. I forgot the name of it off the top. I know Chip and Joanna Gaines. So what's it called? What's the show called?
Oh gosh, I could tell you, but you put me on the spot.
Oh, he doesn't remember either. Comment.
Fixer Upper.
Fixer Upper. Okay, I was going to say, comment down below if you can insert the name into our brains right now. We used to watch that show constantly, and now it's been a little while since I've seen it. But, good show. So, now that we've given you guys a little tour of the room, we are going to get on our way because it's getting a little late in the afternoon and we're hungry, so we're going to go out to City Walk and find ourselves something to eat and go mosey around a little bit. But there will be there will be much more there will be much more content coming from our little weekend here. We're going to take you guys along for Halloween Horror Nights. So yeah, thank you guys for joining us for this little room tour, and this is just one of, several room types here at this resort. So if you get ready to start looking at this resort and you feel like you need a little help narrowing down the options, I would love to be that person to help you out because I am a travel advisor. So if you want to have that conversation, I will put my email right here when I edit the video. And then there's also going to be a quote request form linked down in the captions below. So, thank you guys. Please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content, and we will see you on the next video. Cheers to the magic.
Cheers.